Hi children, good morning. Take your workbook. Open page number 5. Rearrange the group of words below to make a meaningful sentence. Don't forget to start the first word with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Here some words are given, group of words. Here what we can do now? We make a meaningful sentence with using these all words, and starting letter should be capital letter and end with full stop. Okay children, see carefully. First one, table, the, bag, under, is, the. Guess it, find out what is the correct sentence using these words. The bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. Write down capital T. H-E, the. Little finger gap, B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, down letter. Write down children, in between two lines only how to write down the bag. Little finger gap, I-S, is. You again little finger gap, under, U-N-D-E-R, under. You little finger gap again, the table. T-H-E, the table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Under the table. Full stop. The bag is under the table. Next one. Drink I to milk like. I like to drink milk. I like to drink milk. Here I is small, but here we should start with capital letter only. So I is capital. I is always capital children. Remember it. I, little finger gap, like, L-I-K-E, like. You again little finger gap, T-O-2, little finger gap, drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. You little finger gap, milk, M-I-L-K, milk, full stop. I like to drink milk. Next. Dad o'clock, work goes my 9 to 8. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Write down children. M is capital letter. M-Y, my dad. D-A-D, dad. My dad, little finger gap, G-O-E-S, goes. You again little finger gap, T-O-2, little finger gap, W-O-R-K, work. You again little finger gap and write down yet 9 o'clock, N-I-N-E, 9, O, clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Write like this children. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Next sentence. Want to they cricket play. They want to play cricket. They want to play cricket. Capital T H E-Y, they want, W-A-N-T, want, finger gap, to, play, P-L-A down letter. Play. Little finger gap. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Full stop. They want to play cricket. Next one. Brother A dancer my is. My brother is a dancer. My brother is a dancer. Write down capital M, Y down letter, give little finger gap. Brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Little finger gap. I-S is a dancer, D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer, full stop. My brother is a dancer. Next. Great, he a person is. He is a great person. He is a great person. H capital. Capital H, E, he. Finger gap, I-S is. He is a great. G down letter. G-R-E-A-T. Great. Little finger gap. Person. P-E-R-S-O-N. Person. Full stop. He is a great person. Is a dog eat cute. It is a cute dog. It is a cute dog. Write down capital I, T, it. I-S is a cute, C-U-T, cute. Finger gap, D-O-G, dog, O-G down letter. It is a cute dog. Okay children. Next see, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. The farmer is excited about the which season? Yes, very good. Winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Give little finger gap. Season, S-C-A-S-O-N, season, full stop. Winter season. Next one. The hen sat on her dash to dash some chicks. On her eggs to hatch. Here write down X, E-G-G-S, X. E-G-G-S-X to hatch. H-A-T-C-H, hatch some chicks. The hen sat on her eggs to hatch some chicks. Eggs మీద కూర్చుంటుంది, పొదుగుతుందన్నమాట ఈ చిక్స్ రావడానికి. Sheep and lamb have thick wool. W-O-O-L, wool. Sheep and lamb have thick wool. Sheep baby called lamb. Hen baby called chicks. The kittens are dash and dash in color. The kittens are, some are black in color and some are white in color. Write down first blank, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And in second blank, white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Kittens are black and white in color. The ducklings dash all the day. Duck babies are called ducklings. The ducklings sound is what children? All the day? Quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. Once again listen carefully. The farmer is excited about the winter season. The hen sat on her eggs to hatch some chicks. Sheep and lamb have The kittens are black and white in color. The ducklings quack all the day. Okay, children. Learn the sentences and these blanks. Write down, children, at least one time the sentences and also these blanks. Okay, children. We will meet again in next class. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.